Hi, ever wondered how to make your hi-hat patterns more interesting? If so, stick around, because in this video we'll show you the technique from our latest blog post, linked below, that explains a way to do so. Before we continue, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and click that notification bell. Hi-hats, sometimes referred to as the track's pulse, are supplying the energetic driving rhythm that propels the house song energies forward. They may aid in defining the general vibe and aesthetic of music by giving the rhythm more depth and texture. As you can see from the project, we started from scratch to create a closed hi-hat sequence using a soft synth as a source. We adjusted the envelope section accordingly, routed the velocity to the noise oscillator's volume parameter in order to later create a groove for the sequence in the SoundBridge MIDI editor. Finally, we processed the resulting sound with the effects available in the effects rack. Let's hear the hi-hat by itself and then in the context of the full mix.